watching our credit repair tip video. Today's tip is based on a question that was taken by an online survey. Here's one of the questions that we were asked. I currently have bad credit. Do I have to wait 7 to 10 years before I can get a loan? On a practical level, you can have an A-rated credit report within 2 years of even bankruptcy. Why? Because lenders are much more interested in your present circumstances than what happened to you 3 to 10 years ago. Rebuilding your credit can be done rather quickly through a systematic plan and a little perseverance. Keep in mind, the positive credit information stays on your credit report forever. The credit reference agencies only hold information for 7 years, whether positive or negative. If you've enjoyed this credit repair tip and would like to receive 20 free videos based on the top questions that people ask most about credit repair, visit a1creditrepairinfo.com.
Contact us at sharediscovering570@gmail.com, and we will be back to you in hours. Get $5,000, $250,000 fast cash private hard money loans. Purchase, refi, cash out, or HAB. Get loan for any purpose. All non-owner occupied properties, residential or commercial, multifamily, mixed use, office, retail, warehouse, commercial properties, vacant land. Contact us at sharediscovering570@gmail.com. No minimum credit score required, no income verification, no appraisal needed, no prepayment penalty. Bankruptcies, short sales, and foreclosures are okay. First trust deeds or second trust deeds LTV loan to value up to 70%, interest rates starting at 4%. All types of businesses, such as construction, remodelers, carpenters, plumbers, electricians, restaurants, nail salons, contractors, roofers, car repair, doctors, including many other categories, can qualify to get a large sum, for which you don't need to provide a personal guarantee. Contact us right now at sharediscovering570@gmail.com.
Defaults, debt agreements, bankruptcy? Is this your situation? Does it sound familiar to you? Clean Slate Credit realises that a bad credit rating isn't a real reflection of someone's attitude towards paying back their debts. Granted, there are some ratbags in the world who spoil it for everyone, and these are the minority of people that cause banks and other finance companies to not give people a real chance or a second chance that they really deserve. As a matter of fact, some people's credit rating is affected through no fault of their own. Things such as a separation or relationship breakup, bad health or a partner's bad health, or loss of employment or income. As a matter of fact, these people's credit ratings become so badly affected that they can't even get something as simple as a mobile phone contract. And it's because of these reasons that Clean Slate Credit was formed. Clean Slate Credit is a business that believes in people and believes in giving them a second chance. We don't just look at the surface problems or judge a book by its cover. We look at your overall character, your repayment conduct in the past with other creditors, or your situation, and if it's a genuine case, you'll get a second chance, even if you've got bankruptcy. Clean Slate Credit is Australia's #1 specialist expert in helping and working with people who have bad credit. So don't worry too much about what your credit report looks like if you've got debt agreements, bankruptcies or defaults. Head on over to the website, which is listed at the top of the screen, or click on the web link in the description below this video. That will take you over to our website where you can answer 7 quick questions and then submit your details, and one of our loan specialists will call you back and let you know what happens from there. You've got nothing to lose. We're waiting to hear from you. Hi, and welcome to Clean Slate Credit. In this short video, I want to talk to you quickly about what a bad credit personal loan is, how they are different to a typical bank loan, and how they are structured. So we'll take a look at that now. A bad credit personal loan is a loan contract that is issued by a private company, not a bank, for a much smaller amount of money that you normally get from a bank over a much shorter period of time. The reason they are structured in this way is because the companies issuing these loan contracts are much smaller companies than banks. They're not banks and they don't hold banking licenses. So they have much smaller capital reserves than what a bank usually does. That means that in the event that you default or fall into arrears, or if the loan goes into collections, then their profit margins are going to be squeezed, and that's because they're taking on a bigger risk. Whereas with a bank, if someone defaults on a $5,000 personal loan, it probably wouldn't make a difference to their bottom line. These bad credit personal loans or short-term loans usually have higher fees than what you get from a typical bank loan, but you have to remember that these companies are willing to give you a second chance. They are taking on business, or they're prepared to accept customers that a bank does not want. So for that reason, you really are left with little option, because a bank is saying no, but these companies are saying yes, we'll give you a second chance. So that's the upside. So if you ever end up getting a bad credit personal loan or short-term loan, the best thing that you can do is ensure that you make regular and consistent loan repayments, communicate with the lender regularly if you fall behind, and if you think that you're going to have trouble making repayments, let the lender know in advance, not after the fact, because lenders get very nervous when this happens. And keep in mind that if you ever come back for a second round or a second loan, your conduct on the first loan is going to be closely scrutinised. So that's going to demonstrate the pattern or the type of individual that you are in maintaining loan repayment history. Bad credit personal loans and short-term loans are becoming more and more popular because sadly a lot more people are falling into bankruptcies or insolvency, and they're also incurring more and more defaults on the credit file. So these are the type of customers that banks are not prepared to look at, but private companies are willing to give these people a second chance because they give them money based on their character and on their situation, not just on the figures on a piece of paper that shows how much you earn and what your credit score looks like. So in summary, that's what a bad credit personal loan or short-term loan is all about and how they're structured. If you've got any other questions, or if you'd like to know more about these products or services, or if you'd like us to put you in contact with a private lender that can get you a bad credit personal loan or a short-term loan, then click on the web link in the description box below this video. That will take you over to our website where you can answer 7 quick questions, fill in the form, and then one of our staff will be in contact with you to answer any other questions you've got or to explain anything further. Thanks for watching this short video, and I'll see you on the next one.